Come for the another video on the front view of a 2D line diagram in the AutoCAD. So you can see the figure in the left side I have pasted. So first you need to apply the limits Li, go for the limits Lim, then apply limits 0, 0, enter, then 210, 297, then go for the units, then precision will select 0.0 and should be in millimeter. Okay, then select the line command, enter L, first point, and drag to the right side, make the ortho on to draw the horizontal line. The distance is 80 mm, enter. So this is the distance of 80, enter, make it zoom and all. Right, enter, escape. Now the height you can see it is 10 mm. Again select the line, enter command L. So from this end we'll drag to the upward, take a distance of 10 mm, and again to the drag to the right side, again the distance it will be 80 mm, then close here. Okay, now coming to the left side, it is given as the center from here to here, that is 40 mm given. So again take the line, L command. So from this point to here it should be 40, enter 40, then you will get this, and now close here. Okay, again line command, so height. So now you can see that if the outer diameter is 40 mm, so the height it will be again 40 mm. You have to take the line commands. So from this point take a height of 40 mm, then width again close to this. Okay, so now again enter the command circle. So from the midpoint, so you need to find the midpoint first. So this will be the midpoint. So from the midpoint, the inner diameter is 16 mm. It means radius is 8. Okay, so we have given the radius as 8. Now for the outer circle. Okay, so for the outer circle, if this is 40, then the diameter of the outer is 40 mm. It means the radius is 20. Again select the circle from the midpoint, take diameter, or you can enter diameter as 40 mm now. Yes, it's closed now. Okay, so this you can trim, enter trim option, double enter, then remove this. Okay, so now you can show the axis line, select the line type, so there is not available, so you can download from here axis line. So this you can take and it is uploaded. Okay, now again go to the line, from the center, Okay. Same way you can do in the above also, because always axis line you have to show with the straight line with dash dot. Okay, like this. You can make the horizontal line also. So now you can mention the dimensions. ATMM. So again you have to change the line type. After selecting the axis line, again you have to change. Okay. Yes. So in this way you can create this type of blocks. And thank you.